Okay, I'm back again with part 2. So I put the 0.5 radius and I made a note with a text up here, and typical 6 places. So that's descriptive enough that most people should understand that. And I've also discovered that the inside is the same radius on the inside. And positioning. And I also found out that the dimension is like the offset of the wall thickness is exactly 250. So we'll see if we can find a way to describe that. Well, in this case, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to use the same note up here. I'm going to put it right here and put TYP 5 PLC. Okay. Go back and I think I can stretch this like that. Okay. While I'm at this, I think I'm going to save it. Save. And by default, it's going to be saved where you have the drawing. So I'm actually going to put this in my file folder. Or I can move this. Probably what you should do if you already have it in your class, just keep it in your folder and submit this drawing to me for review. All right. So I think we have enough, are these 45-degree angles? And how far down they are. And I got dinner. All right, let's put a dimension here, like between here and there. All right. So I could draw this line, and I know where these are. So I just gotta, if I make an offset boundary around here, I should be able to put that in place. So the only thing I really need to know is where the right side line is. From here to there. Yeah. Maybe I'll put it right there. Because I should be able to draw it based on all the other information. Okay. Other than I need to know these angular, are they 45 degrees? And let's see, what I need to know what that position is. Well, let's get angular in here. Let's get the, like, what's the angle between this one and that one? That says 135 or 45. I think 45 would make more sense to us. And the same thing here, like between here and there is 45 degrees. Let's see if I can bend this up like right there. Okay. We're building it, and probably hole locations. So we'll probably need, where do they start from? Should we start from this end or this end? I think for our drawing point of view, I think let's do it from this end. So let's use straight dimensioning. So if I went from this line to the center of this, and it can't be crooked, it's got to be straight. I could do that, but if I do another dimension, like from here to here, then it gets stacked up. I mean, I could keep on doing that from here to there, right? Now it's getting kind of crowded up there. Let's leave that for now. I also know these are equally spaced, and they align with this, or do they align with that? Let me just check. Yep, that's 2 inches. So I don't really need to say that again, right? It's going to be assumed. All right, and then the spacing. So let's see if we can find a better way of doing this dimensioning. Delete, delete, delete. What's this say? Ordinate dimensionings. This one's based on a 0. So I want to call this 0. So if I do this, that's where, oh, I got to be in the middle of that hole. So I'm not in the